When building your first website, you think the cost would be just for a domain and hosting. Then you find out you need a lot more: security, backups, performance, and growth tools. And each one costs extra. WordPress.com includes many of these paid tools through Jetpack at no extra cost. What you get depends on your plan, but it can save you a lot of money. In this video, we will cover 7 Jetpack features you get for free with WordPress.com. Number 7 is our favorite, and many people don't know how to access it, so stick around to the end. Let's get started. First up, what is Jetpack? Jetpack is a plugin developed by Automatic. It provides security, performance, and growth tools for WordPress sites. It gives you everything you need to make your site safer and faster, and also bring in more traffic. Besides a comprehensive suite of tools, Jetpack also offers individual plugins that allow you to install only the features you'd like. On a self-hosted site, you can install Jetpack manually, but with WordPress.com, Jetpack features are included automatically depending on which plans you choose. Now here we have a WordPress.com business plan site. Let's check out some of the features that we get from Jetpack from a WordPress.com business plan. The first feature I want to talk about is the brute force attack protection. Now, if you're running a website, you might be targeted by hackers all the time. The good news is that Jetpack protects you from the brute force attacks. If we go to the Jetpack section and click on Settings, here we can see there are several security features, and among them is the brute force protection. As you can see, it says blocks malicious login attempts automatically and keep hackers out. This helps protect login pages from malicious attacks, adds an extra layer of security without requiring additional setup. The best thing is that it runs in the background automatically. The next feature I want to talk about is the SEO tools. Now, if we scroll up over here and go to the traffic section, here we can see there are several SEO features. If we scroll down over here, we can see that the search engine optimization is stated over here. Simply, if you enable this, customize your SEO settings, you will be able to see more options such as automatically generate SEO title, SEO description, and image alt text for new posts. This can be really helpful for you and saves you a lot of time. You can also add canonical URLs to archive pages, and if you want further SEO features, you can simply expand these, and here we can set page title structures for different sections of our site such as front page, posts, pages, tags, and archives. We can also add front page meta description over here, and we can also see how our website looks like on Google search, Facebook, and X. So you can see on real time how your website is looking like. Moreover, you can also enable Google Analytics, WP.me short links. You can also generate XML sitemaps. You can enable site verification and much more. Now, this improves your search engine visibility, makes pages more attractive in search results, and also supports content discoverability. This can be useful for bloggers trying to increase organic traffic, affiliate marketers targeting search keywords, and businesses who want local customers to find their services online. Now let's talk about the security scanning feature. Now this is also a very important feature, so we'll move back into the security tab over here. And the first feature that we see here is the backups and security scanning. This is running all the time. If we click over here, it's going to lead us to the activity logs, and here we can monitor and see what's going on our site. This helps identify security issues early and provides ongoing monitoring. As you can see, events such as logging in, making certain changes, or plugin updates, all of these activities are logged here by Jetpack. This provides ongoing monitoring and reduces the risk of compromised website. It can be super helpful for online stores handling customer transactions, business websites where downtime can affect revenue, and agencies managing important client websites. Malware scanning like this is normally a dedicated security service you'd pay for, but here it's just watching your site in the background. Now let's talk about the Jetpack stats. If we go to the settings section from here and click on dashboard over here, we can view the Jetpack stats: visits today, best overall day, all-time views, all-time comments, etc. We can view everything from here. We can view in days, weeks, months. Again, if we need a more detailed view, we can click on View Detailed Stats, and it's going to lead us to this section of your WordPress website. Here you can view in a more detailed way how your site is doing. You can see the latest views, visitors, likes, comments. You can also monitor which content is performing better. You can take a look at the locations, UTM, clicks, everything will be logged over here. So this provides website traffic insights, shows which posts perform best, and helps guide future content decision. This is especially used for bloggers identifying their most popular articles, content creators tracking audience growth, and businesses measuring interest in products or services. The next feature we would like to talk about is the CDN and lazy load images. Now this is included in all of the WordPress.com plans. This allows faster page loading, improves user experience, and it gives you better website performance with minimal effort. If we take a look at the performance section, here you can enable Site Accelerator, and you can also enable speed up image load times and speed up static files load times. Again, if we go to the dashboard section and scroll down, we will be able to monitor our performance and growth. We can see the mobile score and desktop score, and from here we can also enable features such as image accelerator, search, and video press to improve the performance. The next feature I want to talk about is the Akismet anti-spam protection. This automatically filters spam, keeps comment and forms cleaner, and saves moderation time. If we scroll down over here, you can see that Akismet anti-spam is already active, and now it's monitoring all the comments on the site, and data will display here as soon as it's available. So if we click on moderate comments, it's going to bring us to this section, and we can moderate all the comments from here. Again, we can go to the Akismet anti-spam section from here. We will be able to view the statistics from here. There are detailed settings for comments, spam filtering, privacy, and tool access. So you will be able to control the spam protection from here as well. Now this is really amazing for blogs with active comment sections, business websites using contact forms, and community-focused websites receiving frequent user submissions. Akismet is free for personal sites and blogs, but the moment your site is commercial or professional, it normally becomes a paid subscription. Here it's filtering your spam either way. The last feature that I want to talk about is backups. Now here, as you can see, the first feature over here is backups and security scanning. So Jetpack actually backs up your site. If we go to the backup option from here, we can see that our site is regularly being backed up. And this is number 7, the one I teased at the start. A lot of people never realize their site is being backed up right here, and that they can roll it back themselves. It's logging all our changes and backing up our site. You can also select the dates from here. So let's say if I switch over to yesterday, we can see all the changes that were made, and we can restore to this point with just one click, or we can view files or download the backup. So it's a huge benefit. A reliable backup service is one of the first things you would normally pay for separately, and the one most people put off until something breaks. Here it's just running in the background. Another thing, not all of the Jetpack features are available on all of the WordPress.com plans. You get more features in the business and commerce plans compared to the lower tier plans. Add it all up: login protection, SEO, scanning, stats, a CDN, spam filtering, and backups. On a self-hosted site, that's a stack of separate plugins and subscriptions to buy and keep updated. With WordPress.com, a lot of it is just included in one place. Try WordPress.com and its powerful tools along with plenty of Jetpack features. Let us know your experience in the comments. That brings this video to an end. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.